Hi! Welcome to my channel. My name is Crista. Today, magre-review ako ng foundation. It is the new Covergirl TruBlend Matte Foundation. I heard a lot of positive reviews about this foundation, lalo na it comes in 40 shades. It can cater from the lighter skin tones to deeper skin tones and different kinds of undertones. I'll do some check-ins, then at the end of the day, I will let you know my thoughts about this foundation. Just for reference, oily and skin type ko, especially sa T-zone area, and also I have enlarged pores. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. So before ako mag-apply ng foundation, I will read all the claims. It says here, Covergirl TruBlend Matte Foundation is a medium to full coverage foundation with a matte finish. The transfer-resistant formula stays put for up to 12 hours of wear. It contains mattifying powders to absorb oil and minimize the appearance of pores. The packaging is like this, and it's a glass bottle. And then may pump siya. There. Nalalak din siya, so just twist it, then malalak mo siya. So it's travel friendly. I'm in the shade M10 or Golden Natural. I'll be using a sponge on this side and a brush on this side. And also I'll be using my usual primer on this side. Okay, magpa-pump lang ako. Thick yung consistency niya. Here it is. Then apply ko na siya on this side of my face. Matte yung finish niya, and I think medium coverage yung nabigay niya sa akin. But let me see if malilayer ko siya. And buildable naman yung coverage niya. Tsaka hindi niya na-emphasize yung pores ko, tsaka yung texture ng skin ko. Okay, na-prime ko na yung side na yan. So, let's start now with the foundation. I pumped 2 pumps. I'll be using a brush for this side. I think if you use a brush, nagbibigay siya ng more coverage. As you can see. Pero nag-iiwan siya ng konting streak, so ayusin ko lang siya ng sponge. I-blend ko lang siya. I think I'll use the rest of this in the other side para pantay siya. Ayun yung itsura niya up close. Ito yung may primer na side. Then, ito yung wala. Wala namang difference dun sa may primer and then sa walang primer. So, ayan. It looks very good. I'll finish the rest of my makeup, then I'll be back. Ito na yung itsura ng face ko after kumatapos yung makeup ko. Mukha namang makinis yung mukha ko, tas Hindi rin niya na-emphasize yung pores at saka texture ng skin ko. Ayan. Hindi rin siya nagsettle sa may bandang ilong ko. Overall, maganda yung itsura niya. Ito pala yung ginamit ko to set my under eye, yung Nichido. Ayan. Then, the rest of my face, ginamit ko yung LA Girl. Then, for bronzer, ginamit ko yung Step Right Up ng Colourpop, which is this one. Yung bronzer side. This one. Then, nag-blush lang ako from Essence. Then, yung concealer na ginamit ko is the Age Rewind ng Maybelline. And then, to set everything up, ginamit ko yung e.l.f. Matte Magic. The time right now is 6:58. I think 30 minutes na yung foundation sa mukha ko. So, I'll be back in 6 hours for my first check-in. So, see you! Ito pala yung itsura ng foundation sa natural lighting. Hi, I'm back. It's 12:33 ng tanghali. So, there. Suot ko yung foundation for 6 hours now. So, isusum ko kayo para makita nyo up close. Okay. Ayan. Ayan na yung itsura niya. Tingnan ko siya sa salamin. So, still looks very, very good. And considering nabasa ko kanina habang pinapaliguan ko yung anak ko. I have a 2-year-old daughter nga pala. Yeah. Hindi ko pa kailangan mag-blot kasi wala pa naman masyadong oil yung mukha ko. So I'll be back tonight for my final thoughts. See ya! Hi guys! So I'm back for my final check-in. It's 6:26 in the evening. Yes. Isum ko lang kayo para makita niyo yung kalagayan ng skin ko. Okay. Magpa-blot din ako. This is the first time na magpa-blot ako ngayong araw na to. Ayan. Yan lahat ng oils na nakuha sa face. Hindi siya ganong kadami. And my face still looks really, really good. I think powder lang. Then, balik na ulit siya sa dati. I still can go out looking like this. So, yeah. Looks really, really good. So, about sa kiniklaim ng foundation na to, it says that it's medium to full coverage, which is true. Transfer resistant. Kanina nakatulog yung anak ko sa may shoulder ko. Then nararub yung back niya sa may chin ko. Hindi naman siya nabura. Hindi naman siya na-rub off. So, next is it's matte finish. Yes, it's matte finish. 12 hours wear. Yes, it still looks good considering it's been already 12 hours sa face ko. Oil control. The oil control is really, really good as well. Minimize pores. Yes, na-minimize naman niya yung pores ko. Also, yung blendability niya is very good as well. So, what are my thoughts about this foundation? Mare-recommend ko siya for normal to oily skin, but I'm not sure about dry skin. It's been 12 hours sa face ko, but it still looks good. Considering nagpaligo, nagluto, and I did all the mommy duties sa bahay. Wala siyang flashback, so it's good for taking photos. Hindi niya rin na-emphasize yung pores and texture sa skin ko. Oil control is very good as well. Kung nasa Australia ka, naka 40% off siya sa Big W. The usual price is $20, pero $12 na lang siya ngayon. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!